How to change the color of a single navigation link in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to change the color of a single or one only navigation link from the header of your Squarespace website. The process is going to be very easy and very easy. I'm going to provide you with a code that you are going to see in the description section. In here, as you can see, we are on squarespace.com. You need to sign in for an account and do the deal in here. Until you are going to find the account dashboard. So once you are on the account dashboard, we're going to select one of the websites that we have. Here, a little disclaimer. Everything created in this video, such as email addresses, codes, and etc., are created only for the sake of the video and used for it, and not for any personal uses. So make sure that you're going to use your own information aside from the code I'm going to give you. In here, I'm going to click on go to website on the website that I have. And from here, we are going basically to wait for the website. So once we have opened the website editor of Squarespace, we're going to select the main menu in here. So as you can see, this is the main menu. Here, you can go ahead and either choose one of the two options. Either you are going to change the color of all of the specific pages that you have, or you can go ahead and change it only for a specific page. If you're going to change it for a specific page, you can go ahead and head over, for example, any page that you have that has, for example, this specific recipe and do not want the home to have here the code. You're going to head over the recipe, click on advanced on the page parameters or settings, and paste right there the color. So this is the code of the color. So here, as you can see, this little code in here is going to be called header-nav-item, nth-child. Here it is going to show up the number of this specific navigation link, which is going to be represented the position of it. In here, we are going to find the second position. As you can see, item or link. We're going to click on save, and normally we have it right there. So I have some of the error in here, so it doesn't matter a lot. That means that it is not going to work in a specific page. That means that it is going to head over here. So I'm going to head over the website tools on the pages. So we are going to head over the pages. Scroll down, click on website tools, click on custom code, custom CSS, and we are going to here put a code. On that code is going to be this. So as you can see, this is the indicator of the number or the placement of the specific item. For example, I'm going to put 1 and it is going to switch to the block 2. And let's say that we are going to change maybe the reservation, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to change it to 8. So it is going to be in here. So the reservation is going to be right there. Now for the color, you can go ahead and choose whatever color that you have. This is going to be a hex code to set up the color. So here I'm going to have maybe the third or fourth one, which is going to be digital products. And we're going to have it just like that. So we are going to go ahead and head over google.com and then type in hex code for more colors. So I can go ahead and head over here and set up another color just like that. So I'm going to have this specific orange. So I'm going to have the hashtag, copy it, head over here, paste it right there, boom, wait for the magic. And here it is. So do not forget to save and set up, as you can see here, the specific code in here. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.